Let's do a site visit today. We are in Nyali. Look at these views. Our clients bought these amazing 12,000 BTU ACs. A smart inverter which saves up to 30% on energy, very easy on tokens. Equipped with the high density anti-mildew filter, it helps keep your air clean and fresh. It blocks dust, bacteria and mold buildup. This AC operates quietly with minimal noise. Hakuna kelele hapa. Enjoy cleaner, cooler and more efficient air with our 12,000 BTU inverter AC available in stores at only 43,000 Kenyan shillings. We also do installations at a very reasonable rate. Our newest branch shop in Mombasa is located along Turkana Road. Welcome all.